We got a tool, or gadget you could say, that has become a preferable choice among editors, designers, and productive workers, the Orbital2 Creative Console. Over the past couple of months, it has been used daily for everything from graphic design to video editing, and it's made a noticeable difference. So in this video, we're going to share some exciting ways this little device can help you edit faster. So let's get started. The Orbital 2 fits comfortably in the palm and has been designed to reduce wrist strain during long editing sessions. It's lightweight and compact, so it doesn't feel bulky or awkward to hold. This is important because even a small amount of discomfort can slow down your work over time. With a comfortable grip, creators can focus entirely on their projects without constantly adjusting their hands or taking breaks, which means editing becomes smoother and more efficient over extended periods. The Orbital engine is the heart of the console. By tilting, twisting, or turning the joystick, you can zoom in and out, adjust brush sizes, and even rotate the canvas seamlessly. This functionality removes the need for constantly switching to keyboard shortcuts or manually dragging sliders, saving precious seconds every time. It also makes working with creative software feel more fluid and natural, letting you focus on the project itself rather than fighting with controls. With 8 programmable switches, switching between tools like a pen, brush, or eraser becomes instantaneous. This is especially useful when moving quickly between drawing, painting, or editing tasks. Instead of reaching for the keyboard or menu every few seconds, the tool you need is just one click away. Over the course of a long editing session, these small time savers add up significantly, making workflows more efficient and keeping creativity flowing without interruption. The Flick menu is a ring-shaped interface that expands around your cursor, giving you quick access to frequently used functions. Whether you're working with masks, layers, effects, or special editing tools, the Flick menu reduces the need to constantly search through menus. It's intuitive to use and works well with pen tablets, making it a handy feature not just for illustrators, but also for video editors or anyone working in creative software. This small addition really speeds up the way you work. One of the most powerful features is the ability to assign multiple keyboard shortcuts to a single button. For example, several commonly used Photoshop commands can be condensed into a single push, allowing complex tasks to be completed instantly. This effectively turns the console into a portable mini keyboard that fits in the palm of your hand. By eliminating repetitive keystrokes, the Orbital 2 ensures that your workflow is faster, smoother, and more organized. Macros take productivity to another level. With this feature, multiple actions can be recorded and executed with a single button press. Tasks that used to take several steps, like applying an effect, resizing, and moving layers, can now be completed instantly. This is especially useful for repetitive edits or standard processes, as it reduces the mental load of remembering steps and speeds up the overall workflow significantly. The Rotary dial on the Orbital 2 features 32 pulses per rotation, providing extremely precise control. This makes small adjustments like nudging a frame, resizing a brush, or adjusting zoom smooth and accurate. There's no overshooting or constant correction needed, which can be a big time waster when working on detailed projects. The smooth, tactile feedback also makes editing feel more natural and satisfying, giving creators a higher level of control over their work. The console comes with a handy on-screen overlay that shows all assigned commands and shortcuts at a glance. This means there's no need to move back and forth between the console and keyboard or menus. Everything you need is visible and easily accessible, keeping the workflow continuous and efficient. For creators juggling multiple software programs, this overlay can make a huge difference, reducing errors and saving time during complex editing sessions. The joystick supports single-click, double-click, and middle-click actions, making it possible to execute multiple commands with one press. This feature keeps your hands on the device at all times, which reduces interruptions and makes editing faster. Whether it's selecting objects, navigating through layers, or applying quick edits, this functionality simplifies tasks that would normally require several keystrokes or mouse clicks. The joystick sensitivity is fully customizable, allowing fine-tuned control for precise movements. This means small adjustments, like moving a frame by a few pixels or making delicate brush strokes, can be done accurately without overshooting. By matching the joystick to your preferred speed and resistance, editing becomes more comfortable and natural. This small adjustment can have a surprisingly big impact on efficiency, reducing mistakes and saving time in the long run. These are ways the Orbital2 Creative Console can help you edit faster. From its ergonomic design that keeps your hands comfortable, to the joystick, switches, and macros that make repetitive tasks a breeze. This little tool really can double your workflow efficiency. Of course, it's not magic. You still need to know your software. But having a device that's thoughtfully designed for creatives makes everything smoother, faster, and less tiring. If you're someone who spends hours on graphics, illustration, or video editing, it's definitely worth checking out. And that's it for today's video. If this helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.